We are in the middle of a rainstorm right now. Look
It's pouring out.
Oh my god. It was supposed to clear up, but you know, the weathermans are fucking liars, and they lied to us.
Oh my god, our boat!
We're gonna die! Help!
I wasn't rocking the boat! The boat is rocking. Look at the waves.
Oh my goodness!
It's pouring.
Look at this crap.
My feet are so wet. Oh my god, it's pouring right now.
Oh my god, it's getting harder and harder.
We have Missy are under our umbrellas.
Yeah.
And it's raining so hard.
Yes, and I'm Why didn't I go fishing yesterday? It was so nice out.
It's supposed to be nice later. Oh my god, it's pouring.
Oh yeah, it doesn't clear by 9.
It is pouring right now.
Pouring. P-O-U-R-I-N-G.
It's nice out now. It's not raining anymore.
You know why?
Look at blue sky, and sun. And
Kerosene is hot. Splash
he's so gay.
Splash water on. That's what
Look at the blue sky.
There's no picture.
Wrong way.
Wrong way. You're taping yourself.
Oh,
Did you hit the button
shit,
yet?
yeah.
Is it recording?
This shit's crazy.
Here, talk, narrate.
We got doubles. We got Valerie with her fish.
Triples, go.
Oh, we got triples. Val's playing hers. Missy's yanking hers like no tomorrow. So, no horse out. Just I mean, just
Look at him.
play him. I am.
There he is. Hello, my name is Diana,
all right.
and I'm a fish. Mwah.
All right,
Later.
throw him in. There he goes.
See him?
Yep.
Here, miss. You want here? Crank this.
Oh snap.
Val, you
I'm
can have
letting
it.
him.
Ready?
Come on, baby.
That's a girl. Ready? Show who's boss.
We're gonna tip the boat.
No, no. Just hold on. Put one hand on the rail. No, Val. Yeah, Val.
Go, go.
Right now, this way. You stink. No, Valerie, it's 10. That's the biggest one of the day right there. That's a good one. Yes, it is.
Look at my fish.
Damn.
I have fish guts in my hair, everyone. This is
Biggest one of the day.
This is Freddie Prinze Jr.
All right, throw his ass in the river.
Ready?
Jump again. Oh, I got that.
Good shot.
Woo! There's that beautiful beauty.
It's on the camera. My dad French kissed the fish. Double whammy.
Double whammies again. Who will land their fish? Missy or Valerie? Ready? Ready?
Oh, it's black now, son of a biatch. Bye.
He's eyeballing you. Ready?
Bye,
Say goodbye.
fishy. He let go. He let go. Mrs. Fish let go.
That's a big one.
Holy f***.
Yeah. Missy.
Woo!
Put that one right down to his
You see
ass.
it?
Or
I said things.
Woo! Woo, my fishy. Bye.
down to his asshole.
Oh my god, the fish swallowed the dart.
You go get him.
No, wait.
Woo!
Looks like Alice.
Oh, it's Alice? Ew! Alice just got me wet.
Does it not forget the whole fish?
That's about a 3-pounder Val has there. She couldn't get it in, so Carrie had to
This
reel it
is
in.
Freddie, the fish.
Throw him in, throw him in.
Freddie is a little jumpy.
He's bleeding. We'll throw him in.
Can you tape me though?
Yeah,
Look
throw
at
him
me.
in.
Hi.
I got it. There he goes. There goes Freddie.
Freddie just almost bit me.